If you're trying to figure out how to make a USB to RS232 serial cable, what you actually need is a USB to RS232 converter. So here are the two best options depending on your setup. And don't worry, I'm going to explain why these are the best options a bit later. The first one is the ICP-DOS USA i7560U. This is the clean choice when your RS232 device already uses a DB9 connector and you want the simplest connection from a USB host, whether from a laptop, an industrial PC, or a panel PC. Now the key advantage here is that it supports a full set of RS232 signals, not just transmit and receive. So if your device depends on hardware handshaking or control lines, you're not stuck with a converter that only works in basic cases. It's USB powered, so there's no external power supply. It includes the CA USB 1.8 cable. It supports speeds up to 921.6 kbps, and it's rated for -25 Celsius to +75 Celsius, which is exactly what you want when this connection is happening in real industrial environments instead of a desk. Now the second option is the ICP-DOS USA i7561U, and this one is designed more like a control cabinet component. It uses a removable terminal block instead of a DB9. It's DIN rail mountable for clean installs, and it supports RS232, RS422, and RS485. That way, it'll stay useful even if your serial standard changes later. Now, the standard feature on the i7561U is isolation on the terminal side, meaning electrical separation between the USB side and the serial side, which helps protect your USB host and your serial equipment from the kinds of issues that show up in cabinets and field wiring like noise, ground potential differences, and electrical transients. Now this one is also USB powered. It supports speeds up to 921.6 kbps, and it's rated for -25 Celsius to +75 Celsius, just like the other one, so you know it's built for permanent industrial installs. Now here's exactly what you need to know in order to choose between them. If you need USB to DB9 RS232, and you want the most direct, compatible connection, especially if your device uses RS232 control signals, choose the i7560U. If you're wiring into a cabinet, you want DIN rail mounting and terminal block wiring, you want isolation protection, or you want RS232, RS422, and RS485 flexibility in one unit, choose the i7561U. So the point is, you're not just converting RS232 to USB, you're choosing whether this connection is optimized for quick DB9 interfacing or for protected, cabinet-ready wiring that holds up long term. So if you're interested in checking out either of these modules, both of them will be linked in the description below. Alternatively, if you reach out to our team at sales@icp-usa.com and let us know whether your serial side is DB9 or terminal wiring, we'll point you to the best fit. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed.